Looking to create a quick and easy Google form? Whether it's for surveys, quizzes, or event registrations, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a professional Google form in just minutes. Let's get started. To begin, open your browser and type forms.google.com. Or access it from Google Drive by clicking +New and selecting Google Form under More. Once you're on the Google Forms page, you'll see a blank form by default. You can either start from scratch or use a pre-made template. For this tutorial, we'll use the blank form. Start by giving your form a title and a description. For example, let's call this form Customer Feedback. The description can include instructions like, please take a moment to fill out the survey. Now, click on the first field to add a question. Google Forms offers several question types. Short answer for brief responses. Multiple choice for selecting one option. Drop down for a compact list of choices. For example, let's add a multiple choice question. How satisfied are you with our service? Add options like very satisfied, satisfied, and not satisfied. Make your form visually appealing by clicking on the palette icon in the top right corner. Here, you can choose a theme color, add a background image, or customize fonts. Also, don't forget to toggle on the required option for any must-answer questions. Once your form is ready, it's time to share it. Click the Send button in the top right corner. You can share it via email, generate a link to copy and paste, or embed it on your website. If you want a shorter link, don't forget to check the Shorten URL box. After people start submitting their responses, you can view the results under the Responses tab. You can see a summary, individual responses, or export the data to a Google Sheet for further analysis. And that's it. You've created your very own Google form. Easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple tech tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other guides you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.